If you've been thinking about selling the home that you live in, but you're wondering how you're going to live through the process of buyers coming and going, staging, and adjusting your personal space, then this video is for you. One of the biggest misconceptions about selling is that you need to remodel or redo everything and make dramatic changes, and you usually don't. So in fact, the homes that sell the fastest and often for the strongest prices are usually the most neutral. These are the homes that I call vanilla. They are not dramatic, they are not trendy, they do not have bold paint colors or a highly customized design. They're just clean, neutral, broadly appealing spaces. If you're new here to the channel, I'm Danae Aballi-Mecham. I'm an Orange County realtor with over 21 years of experience helping sellers position to sell their homes strategically. So what I've seen over and over again is this: sellers naturally want to leave their personalized art and their collections and their decor in place. But what often nets the strongest return isn't the personalization, it's actually thoughtful depersonalization. So small shifts can create meaningful results on your bottom line. Let me walk you through 3 reasons why these neutral homes perform so well, and why that matters for you personally. First, buyers are buying their future, not your taste. When a buyer walks into a home, they are not evaluating your style. They're subconsciously asking, can I see my life here? And if the walls are filled with your personal photos or bold artwork or very specific decor, buyers start focusing on you instead of imagining themselves. And when that emotional connection weakens, then their offers do soften as well. So neutral doesn't mean sterile, it simply creates a space for somebody else's story. Second, specificity shrinks your buyer pool. So the more personalized the home feels, the more specific the buyer has to be. So if you have highly curated design, even a beautiful design, it does narrow the number of people who immediately feel comfortable. So when a home feels calm and broadly appealing, more buyers can say, this works, which is what we want. And when more buyers feel comfortable, you can create competition. And when competition happens, that's what pushes your price upward. So it isn't about removing personality, it's about widening the appeal. And third, lastly, simplicity makes the selling process actually easier for you too. A simplified neutral home is easier to maintain during showings, it's easier to keep tidy, it's easier to stage lightly without feeling like you're living in a model home, and it's easier for buyers to walk through without any distractions. This doesn't mean ripping out your tile or redoing your kitchen. It often just means editing, which is removing personal items, reducing the visual clutter, and creating clean sight lines. So if you're even thinking about selling, this is something we can evaluate together. I'm happy to walk through your home in person or hop on FaceTime and give you an honest, practical feedback on how to position it to maximize your final sales price without overdoing it. Most of the time, the adjustments are smaller than you think, and knowing where to focus and where not to makes all the difference. Because in real estate, neutral isn't boring, it's strategic.